Today we would see middle of the linked list problem. How to find the middle of the linked list? The famous Tortoise and hare algorithm. So based on this algorithm, we would find the middle of the linked list for both even and odd length. So first, what we need to do is we need to have two pointers called slow and fast. Pointers we need to initialize to the head of the linked list. And what the slow would do is it would move the linked list by one hop. For example, from one it would move to next. But the fast would move two hops, that is next dot next. It would move from 1 to 2 and then to 3 at one time. So for the first attempt, slow pointer would be at 2 and fast pointer would be at 3. And in the next attempt, fast pointer will move to 5, which is 3 dot next, which is 4, and then 4 dot next, which is 5. But the slow pointer will move from 2 dot next to 3. And the point at which the fast pointer reaches the end of the uh, list or end of the linked list, or the fast dot next is null, then that point is the middle of the linked list where slow is present. So here it reaches the fast pointer reaches the end and slow pointer is located at 3, and that is where the middle is. For this is for the odd. And for the even, it follows the same principle. At first attempt, the slow pointer would be at 2 here, and the fast pointer would be at 3. And then fast pointer cannot go for another 2 hops because it would reach the end. And the point where the slow pointer is located at that point of time is 2. So the middle of the linked list for this particular algorithm would be 2 for even and 3 for this linked list. So this is just a snippet how we can do it in Python. I'm doing it in Word because I just want to share this. So we just check if first dot next is there and first dot next is there. So if this is there, then we can check for the slow and fast pointer movement. So slow would be slow dot next and fast would be fast dot next because it has to go 2 hops. It's a fast pointer. So when this reaches null, you return slow. So this would be your middle. So this is how you can find the middle of the linked list. This is the famous Tortoise algorithm where the slow pointer moves one hop, one next, but fast pointer moves 2 hops, which is next and then next to that. So that's the plan for today. Thanks a lot.